तो आज हम देखेंगे डिटर्मिनेंट। तो डिटर्मिनेंट क्या होता है? ए बी सी डी, दिस इज अ डिटर्मिनेंट, and A, B and C, D are rows, and A, C and B, D are columns, and degree of determinant is 2 because there are 2 elements in each column and 2 elements in each row. So value of this determinant is A into D, cross multiplication, A into D minus C into B, C into B. So value of A, B, C, D determinant is A into D, AD minus C into B, C, B. So value of determinant is AD and C, B. So practice set 1.3. First question is determinant of 3, 4, 2, 5. Find the value of determinant. So here is a cross multiplication. 5 into 3 minus 4 into 2. 5 3s are 15 minus 4 2s are 8 is equals to 7. So value of determinant is 7. क्वेश्चन 2 में से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट -1, 2, 7 and 4. So is equals to -1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. So 4 into -1 -4 minus 7 into 2 14. So minus addition and minus sign, 14 plus 4 18. So value of this determinant is -18. क्वेश्चन 2 में से सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट. डिटर्मिनेंट इज 5 minus 7 3 and 0 is equals to 5 into 0 minus -7 into 3. So 5 into 0 0 minus 7 into 3 minus 21. So minus plus 21. So value of determinant is 21. Third question is, find the value of determinant 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So here is also same cross multiplication is equals to 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So 7 1s are 7, 3 2s are 6 minus 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So subtraction, -7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. So 15 में से हम 7 सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे और जो आंसर आएगा उसे माइनस साइन देंगे. So 15 minus 7 is 8 upon 6 and here is a minus sign. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So determinant of 7 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3 and 1 upon 2 is -4 upon 3. Question 3. Solve the simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. So first है 3x minus 4y is equals to 10. This is our equation number first. And 4x plus 3y is equals to 5. This is our equation number 2. So compare first equation with a1x plus b1y is equals to c1. Therefore, a1 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to -4 and c1 is equals to 10. So this is a1, this is a2 and this is c1. This is a1, this is b1 and this is c1. So again compare second equation with a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. Therefore, a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to 3 and c2 is equals to 5. So, by Cramer's rule, we have to find out value of x and value of y. So, x is equals to dx upon d and y is equals to dy upon d. So, we have to firstly find value of d, value of dx and value of dy. So, to find value of d, value of d is equals to determinant of a1, a2, b1, b2 is equals to a1 is a 3. So 3, 4, -4 and 3 is equals to 3 into cross multiplication. 3 into 3, 9 minus 4 into 4, minus 16. So 9 plus 16 is a 25. So this is value of d. D is equals to 25. So second, find dx. So dx is equals to determinant of c1, c2, b1, b2. So is equals to c1 is a 10, c2 is a 5. Then b1 is a -4 and b2 is a 3. So is equals to 10 into 3, 30, -5 into -4, -20. So 30 minus -20 is equals to 50. So dx is equals to 50. Dx is equals to 50. Then dy. Dy is equals to determinant of a1, a2, c1, c2 is equals to a1 is a 3, a2 is a 4, c1 is a 10 and c2 is a 5. So 5 into 3 is equals to 50 minus 10 into 4 is equals to 40. So 15 minus 40 is equals to minus 25. So value of dy. So dy is equals to minus 25. So find value of x and value of y. So x is equals to dx upon d. X is equals to dx upon d. So value of dx is equals to 50 and value of d is equals to 25. So 50 upon 25. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to dy upon d. So dy is a minus 25 and d is a 25. So y is equals to minus 1. So value of x is equals to 2 and value of y is equals to minus 1. में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है 4x प्लस 3y माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो ये इक्वेशन को हमें इस फॉर्म में लाना है a1x प्लस b1x इज इक्वल्स टू c1. तो ये इक्वेशन हो जाएगा 4x प्लस 3y. सो माइनस 4 को हमें इस साइड लाना होगा तो ये होगा प्लस 4. So this is our equation number first, and second equation is 6x is equals to 8 minus 5y. तो इसे भी हम इस फॉर्म में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So 6x minus 5y इस साइड आने के बाद प्लस 5y is equals to 8. So this is our second equation. So compare this equation with a1x plus b1y is equals to c1. So we will get value of a1, b1 and c2. And second equation with a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. हमने आगे के क्वेश्चन में देखा है. So value of a1 is equals to 4, b1 is equals to 3 and c1 is equals to 4 and a2 is equals to 6, b2 is equals to 5 and c2 is equals to 8. So by Cramer's rule, x is equals to dx upon d and y is equals to dy upon d. So d is equals to a1 a2 and b1 b2 is equals to value of a is 4, value of b is 6. Value of a2 is 6. So b1 is 3 and b2 is 5. 5 4s are 20 minus 6 3s are 18 is equals to 2. So d is equals to 2. Next dx. Dx is equals to c1 c2 b1 b2 is equals to value of c1 is 4 and c2 is 8, 3 and 5. So cross multiplication. 5 4s are 20 minus 8 3s are 24. Value is minus 4. So dx is equals to minus 4. So value of dy is equals to a1, determinant of a1 a2 and c1 c2 is equals to value of a is 4 6 and 4 and 8 is equals to cross multiplication. 8 4s are 32 minus 6 4s are 24 is equals to 8. So dy is equals to 8. So put this value in x and y. So x is equals to value of dx is minus 4 divided by 2 is equals to minus 2. Value of x is equals to minus 2. And value of y is equals to 8 upon 2 is equals to 4. So value of y is equals to 4. Next question is third. x plus 2y is equals to minus 1. This is equation number first. And 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. This is equation number second. Compare this equation and find the value of a1, a2, c1, c2, b1, b2. So a1 is equals to 1. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं, इसका मतलब यहाँ 1 होता है. So b1 is equals to 2 and c1 is equals to minus 1. a2 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to minus 3 and c2 is equals to 12. So by Cramer's rule, x is equals to dx upon d and y is equals to dy upon d. So d is equals to determinant of a1, a2, b1, b2 is equals to a1 is a 1, a2 is a 2, b1 is a 2 and b2 is a minus 3. So is equals to minus 3 minus 4. So minus minus plus 4 plus 3 7 and minus sign. So value of d is equals to minus 7. Then dx is equals to determinant of c1 c2 b1 b2 is equals to c1 is a minus 1, 12, 2 and minus 3. So cross multiplication, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 minus 12 to the 24. So 24 minus 3 is equals to minus 21. So value of dx is equals to minus 21. Next dy is equals to determinant of a1 a2 and c1 c2 is equals to 1, 2 and minus 1 and 12. So cross multiplication, 12 minus minus 2 is equals to 14. So dy is equals to 14. So value of x is equals to dx upon d. So dx is a minus 21 and d is a minus 7. So value of x is equals to plus 3. And value of y is equals to 14 divided by minus 7 is equals to minus 2. So value of x is equals to 3 and value of y is equals to minus 2. Question number 4 is 6x minus 4y is equals to minus 12. This is equation number first. And 8x minus 3y is equals to minus 2. This is equation number 2. So compare this equation and find the value of a1. a1 is equals to 6, b2 is equals to minus 4 and b1 is equals to minus 4 and c1 is equals to minus 12. Then a2 is equals to 8, b2 is equals to minus 3 and c2 is equals to minus 2. So by Cramer's rule, x is equals to dx upon d and y is equals to dy upon y. So d is equals to determinant of a1 a2 b1 b2 is equals to value. So value of a1 is 6, b2 is 8, a2 is 8, b1 is minus 4 and b2 is minus 3. So cross multiplication, 6 into minus 3 minus 18 minus 8 into minus 4 minus 32. So minus 18 plus 32, plus minus subtraction. So 8 and 2 6 and 26 plus 26. Value of D is equals to 26. Sorry, minus 18 plus 32 is plus 40. So value of D is equals to plus 14. So next is dx. dx is equals to c1 c2 b1 b2 is equals to minus 12 minus 2 and minus 4 minus 3, cross multiplication. 12 into 3 plus 36 minus 8, minus minus plus. So 36 minus 8 is equals to 28. So dx is equals to 28. dy is equals to determinant of a1 a2 and c1 c2 is equals to 6 8 minus 12 and minus 2. So cross multiplication, 6 into minus 2 minus 12 minus 96. So minus 12 plus 96. यहाँ पे सब्सट्रैक्शन होगी. So 84. dy is equals to 84. So value of x is equals to dx upon d. So dx is 28 and d is 14. So 7 2s are 40 and 7 4s are 2 2s are. Okay. So value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 84 dy upon d. So 84 upon 14. So 14 6 are 84. So value of x is equals to 2 and value of y is equals to 6. Fifth is 4m plus 6n is equals to 54. This is our equation number first. And 3m plus 2n is equals to 28. This is equation number 2. So a1 is equals to 4, b1 is equals to 6 and c1 is equals to 54. a2 is equals to 3, b2 is equals to 2 and c2 is equals to 28. So by Cramer's rule, x is equals to dx upon d, y is equals to dy upon d. So d is equals to determinant of a1 a2 and b1 b2 is equals to determinant of 4 3 6 2 is equals to 8 minus 18 is equals to minus 10. So value of d is equals to minus 10. So dx is equals to c1 c2 b1 b2 is equals to c1 is a 54 and 28 6 and 2. So 54 into 2 108 minus 28 into 6 8 168. So subtraction is equals to minus 60. So dx is equals to minus 16 and dy is equals to determinant of a1 A2, C1, C2 is equals to A1 is a 4, 3, 54 and 28. So cross multiplication, 28 into 4 minus 54 into 3 is equals to 112 minus 162. So 162 and 112 is a 50. So dy is equals to minus 50. So put this value in x and y. So x is equals to dx upon d. Our dx is minus 60 and d is minus 10. So value of x is 6 and y is equals to dy. dy is minus 50 and dx is 10. So value of y is 5. So value of x is equals to 6 and value of y is equals to 5. Next example, sixth one. 2x plus 3y is equals to 2. This is equation number first, and x minus y by 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. This is equation number 2. So compare this equation and find the value of a1. a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is 2. a2 is 1, b2 is minus 1 upon 2 and c2 is 1 upon 2. So by Cramer's rule, x is equals to dx upon d and y is equals to dy upon d. So d is equals to determinant of a1, a2, b1, b2 is equals to 2, 1 and 3 and minus 1 upon 2. So cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1. So 2 get cancelled, minus 1 minus 3 is equals to minus minus addition and minus sign. So d is equals to minus 4. So next is a dx. dx is determinant of c1, c2, b1, b2 is equals to 2 upon 1 upon 2 and 3 minus 1 upon 2. So cross multiplication, 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 3. So 2 get cancelled, minus 1 minus 3 upon 2. So माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो यहाँ पे हमें डिनोमिनेटर 2 करना पड़ेगा. सो इंटू 2 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 अपॉन 2 माइनस 3 अपॉन 2. सो माइनस माइनस एडिशन, minus 5 upon 2. So dx is equals to minus 5 upon 2. So dy is equals to determinant of a1, a2, c1, c2 is equals to 2, 1, 2, 1 upon 2 is equals to, so cross multiplication, 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 2 into 1 is equals to 2 get cancelled, 1 minus 2. So dy is equals to minus 1. Put this value and find the value of x and y. So x is equals to dx upon dy. Dx is minus 5 upon 2 upon x is equals to dx upon d. So dx is minus 5 upon 2 and d is minus 4. So minus 5 upon 2 into 1 upon minus 4 is equals to minus 5 upon minus 8 is equals to 5 upon 8. So value of x is 5 upon 8 and value of y is equals to dy. dy is a minus 1 and d is a minus 4. So is equals to 1 upon 4. So value of x is 5 upon 8 and value of y is 1 upon 4. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा होगा। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।